Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you register your account with email on your Plato app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go above here your photo profile, just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, so you just go here above this sign, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just click on account. When you just click here on account, you come to next step here. Click here on register account. You click here on register with email. Add here, enter here an email to register this account. Just add your email, then you click here on send, then it's going to register with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.